In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flash Fill in Excel after filtering to bulk tag rows. Open Microsoft Excel on your desktop, then open your workbook so the vendor list is visible on screen. Once the sheet is open, go to column C and locate the header named IT Relevant. You should already have the list filtered so only the IT rows are showing at this stage. Click the first visible cell directly under the IT Relevant header in column C. This should be the first row you can currently see beneath the header. In that cell, type Yes, then press Enter. Excel moves the active cell down to the next visible row in the filtered list. Now click or stay in the next visible cell directly below in the same column. Type Yes again, then press Enter. Entering the same tag into two visible cells gives FlashFill a clear pattern to follow in this filtered view, so Excel can recognize exactly what needs to be repeated. Your cursor should now be in the next visible cell down in column C. Press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. Excel runs FlashFill and fills the remaining visible cells in the IT relevant column with Yes. Because the sheet is filtered, the hidden rows are not changed here. Only the rows you can currently see receive the Yes tag. Scroll down to the visible list and confirm that each visible row in column C now shows Yes. Move steadily through the filtered records and make sure the cells that are showing on screen have all been populated the same way. Next, go back to the category header and click the filter arrow again. This opens the filter menu for the current category column. In the list of filter options, click Select All once to clear the current selection. Then click Select All a second time so everything is checked again. This resets the category choices before you switch the filter to the non-IT groups. Now uncheck the IT categories. Remove the checkmarks for cloud services, hardware, and software. Leave the non-IT categories checked, which are hotel, legal services, and logistics. When only those non-IT categories remain selected, click OK. The worksheet updates, and now only the non-IT vendor rows are visible. With that filtered view on screen, click the first visible cell in column C under the IT relevant header. This cell is empty because these rows were hidden while you filled the IT rows earlier. In that first visible cell, type No, then press Enter. Move to the next visible cell directly below in column C. Type No again, then press Enter. Just like before, you are giving FlashFill 2 matching examples in the filtered set so Excel can continue the same pattern for all remaining visible rows. Your cursor should now be in the next visible cell in that same column. Press Ctrl+E. FlashFill now fills the rest of the visible non-IT rows in column C with number. The IT rows are hidden during this step, so their existing Yes values remain unchanged. Scroll through the visible non-IT rows and make sure each one now shows No in the IT relevant column. As you move through the filtered list, verify that the visible cells are consistently filled and that no visible row in this section has been left blank. Now remove the filter so you can check the full list together. Click the filter arrow on the category header one more time. In the menu, click Clear Filter from Category. All 25 rows appear again in the worksheet. Scroll through the complete list and review column C. Every row should now contain a value in the IT relevant column. The vendors in cloud services, hardware, and software should show Yes. The vendors in hotel, legal services, and logistics should show Number. No row should be blank. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the IT relevant column is fully populated across the full vendor list. There should be 13 rows marked Yes for the IT categories and 12 rows marked No for the non-IT categories. The full result is that every row has been tagged, and FlashFill handled the repeated entries while respecting the filter each time.